Good morning all of you. Today I will present physicochemical and medicinal importance of dietary fiber of locally found cereals for the partial fulfillment of MSc in Food and Nutrition. Introduction. Dietary fiber is an essential part of plant material which is resistant to hydrolysis by the alimentary enzyme and consists of cellulose, hemicellulose, pectin, lignin, gums, wax, etc. Dietary fiber has two types: soluble fiber, insoluble fiber. Soluble fibers are which are insoluble in the water, like pectins and gums. Insoluble fibers are not soluble in the water. They are cellulose, hemicellulose and lignins. Aims and objectives: to expose the medicinal properties of dietary fiber in human, to know about the nutritional benefits of available dietary fiber, to assess the antioxidant properties of dietary fiber in human. First of all, oats, mainly popular for the weight loss, and beside this it also controls blood glucose level and blood pressure. Its dietary fiber is known as beta-glucan and contains several micronutrients like vitamin E, selenium, copper, manganese, etc. and antioxidants present in the outer layer of kernel. Number 2, barley. Barley also beta-glucan, and according to Food and Drug Administration and European Food Safety Authority, beta-glucan is an important component of barley which raises the physicochemical properties, and research showed that barley is a rich source of chromium and dietary fiber, moderate of amylose starch along with antioxidants. Maize. Maize is a low glycemic food, that's why it's beneficial for obesity patient, hypertension patient, high cholesterol patient and cardiovascular patient. The corn product is corn oil under the PUFA and contains significant amount of vitamin E, ubiquinone and polysterols. Sorghum, that contains high amount of phytochemicals such as anthocyanins, 3-deoxyanthocyanins, proanthocyanidins and phenolic acids, and sorghum is rich in antioxidants such as flavonoid, phenolic acid and tannins that helps in the lowering oxidative stress and inflammation of the body. Next, millet. Millet contains complex carbohydrate and higher level of dietary fiber and physicochemical properties, and also contains phytate, polyphenol, tannin and trypsin inhibitory factors. The epidemiological study have shown that regular consumption of millet can protect the risk from cardiovascular disease, and its seed coat is the edible component of the millet. Then wheat. Whole wheat is the good source of vitamin and minerals such as selenium, manganese, phosphorus, copper and folate. It contains high amount of antioxidant properties in the aleuron layer, and some common plants compounds are ferulic acid, phytic acid, which impair the absorption of minerals, alkyl resorcinols and lignins. Brown rice is a low glycemic food, that's why reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes, and a rich source of dietary fiber that can reduce the risk of heart disease. Then discussion. What we learned from this study, we learned that if individual consumes high intake of dietary fiber daily life, they may defeat obesity, certain disorder, coronary heart disease, diabetes and so on. Then conclusion, we have selected these cereals because these are local market available cereals and very cost effective. There are some references for this study, and thank you everyone. Thank you for your patience.